powerful reminder of the transformative power of prayer and faith. When we pray with complete faith, we open ourselves up to the possibility of miracles. Faith and prayer can be a powerful combination, especially during dark times. They can help us find hope, peace, and guidance when we need it most. If you're going through a tough time, I encourage you to try praying at 3 a.m. You might be surprised at the sense of hope and peace that you find. If you've had a similar experience with prayer or have a story to share, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my related video on the power of prayer. I think you'll find it really inspiring.